flag racing bird, bandit. Now, bandit is a red and green macaw, also known as green-winged macaw. Macaws are widespread in forests and woodlands of northern and central South America. And there you go, our show is officially started. A round of applause for a flag racing bird, bandit. So hello everyone! Maayong hapon sa tanan and welcome to Cebu Ocean Park's Amphitheater. My name is Katha and I'll be your host for today's show. Now our next featured birds are just like any best friends. And sometimes best friends can be competitive, right? So now let's meet Blue and Azul. And today they'll battle it over who's the best in the basketball game. So let's wait for our birds. So this right here is Azul. And now we will wait for Blue. Now before we start this friendly battle, I'll be dividing you guys into two groups. For the girls, let me hear you cheer for Azul. Say, go Azul, go Azul. Let's go Blue. And this right here is Blue. Now for the boys, let me hear you cheer for Blue. Say, go Blue, go Blue. So are you guys ready for the basketball game?
Yes!
Again, louder. Are you guys ready for the basketball game?
Yes!
All right, birds ready? Trainers ready? Set, go. Let's go, birds. First ball for both birds. Second ball for Blue, second ball for Azul, and Blue wins this game. So it's okay, Azul. So I guess Azul deserves another race. So now let's do the ring race. So the mechanics of this game is first bird to drop all three rings into the pool. The fastest is the winner. So are you guys ready for the second round?
Yeah!
Alright, birds ready? Trainers ready? Set, go! Let's go, birds! First ring for Blue. Second ring. Oh, hey, what is this? Azul mixed up all three rings at the same time. How clever was that? A round of applause for Blue and Azul. Now this time, I need one adult volunteer with a 20 peso bill. Again, I need one adult volunteer with a 20 peso bill. Yes, ma'am, please join me here in front and bring with you your money bill. So as you all notice, most of the birds here are parrots. That is because parrots are highly intelligent, charismatic, colorful, and musically inclined. So hello ma'am, I'm hapon. So please stand right here. Now face the table and extend your left arm like this. So I'll be inserting your money bill between your fingers. So whatever happens ma'am, okay, do not move your arm. Okay, steady lang ma'am. So now let's call in a money bird, Blue. Now Blue flies over, picks the money. Blue flies back to the table, and what's next, Blue? And Blue wants to donate the money. So let me ask you, ma'am, are you okay with your 20 peso bill? Sure, okay, yeah. How about the second round this time? 500 na per ma'am. So we're actually just joking, ma'am, so this is part of the show. We're going to return back their money, but first Blue wants to have a photo picture for a souvenir. Now look at the camera and smile together with our money bird, Blue. So here's your money back. A round of applause for our volunteers. our green-winged macaw bandit, our eclectus parrot red, and our blue and gold macaw azul. So just a friendly reminder, please do not try to punch our birds, okay? Again, please do not punch our birds. Thank you. So that right there is bandit, this is red, and that is azul. So let's start. Now on your right, that is our green-winged macaw bandit. That macaw is mostly covered with red plumage. Its wings and tail feathers are colored blue and green. That macaw has a white mini face stripe with small red feathers. Its scientific name is Arachnoraptorus. Say hi to that bandit. Hi! How about this side bandit? Say hi to them. Hi! Now up next, there you have our blue and gold macaw azul. Now blue and gold macaw has a beautiful shade of blue on its back and a solid shade of yellow in its belly and inner wing. Its eyes and beak are solid black. Its scientific name is Ara arauca. Now these birds can typically be found in Peru, Brazil, Bolivia, and Paraguay. Now here in Cebu Park, we have 3 blue and gold macaw. We have blue, azul, and golden. Now up next, here you have our eclectus parrot red. Now eclectus parrots are very unusual in the parrot family. That is because of their extreme sexual dimorphism. Meaning you can easily distinguish between a male and a female eclectus parrot. So red right here is a female eclectus parrot. That is because of her bright red colored feathers. Meanwhile, male eclectus parrots have a bright green colored feathers. So again, if it's red, it's females. If it's green, it's
Male.
Now, did you know that parrots are monogamous? Meaning they only have one partner their entire lifetime. Now, these birds are social animals. They love to fly together with their flocks and here in captivity, get imprinted with their trainers. Now, eclectus parrots can approximately live up to 30 years old. Meanwhile, our macaws bandit and azul, they can live up to 60 to 70 years old. And that is it for our 3 different types of parrots here in Cebu Park. We have our green-winged macaw bandit, our eclectus parrot red, and our blue and gold macaw azul. Let's call in Bandit once again, and he's going to show us how to put back the shapes in the correct spots. Now, parrots are intelligent. They can remember even the smallest detail. They typically feed on seeds, nuts, fruits such as durian, rambutan, and papaya. And they also love corn. That shape, Bandit. And there you go, intelligent flying. Intelligent bird, bandit. Now guys, who here loves math? You guys love math? So I believe everyone knows addition, right? Well, our next featured bird will leave you most baffled and amazed. Now, do you think birds can do math? Now, before I call in our great mathematician, I'll be asking you guys 2 numbers between 1 to 20. Any numbers between 1 to 20? 9. How How about our second number? I heard 10. 10. So our equation is 9 plus 10. Now we all know the answer, right? Now before I call in our great mathematician, I'll be shuffling these numbers first. So now let's call in our great mathematician, Snow. There you go, Snow, our Moluccan cockatoo. Scientific name is Cockatoa molossensis. Now these birds are endemic in the Seram archipelago in eastern Indonesia. These birds are also called salmon-crested cockatoos. That is because of their pinkish white colored feathers. Now cockatoos can be very loud and can mimic almost any sound. Alright, Trainer Jen, can you please show Snow our equation? Our equation is 9 plus 10. Again, Snow, our equation is 9 plus 10. Alright, Snow's ready? Alright, Snow, please solve the equation for us. And she picks the first number 1. Alright, Snow, complete your answer please up to the second number. And there you go. 9 plus 10 is equal to 19. A round of applause for our great mathematician, Snow. Birds are different among the parrots we showed you. These birds are called raptor or birds of prey. When you say raptor, it means to seize or to take by force. Now there are 446 different types of raptors, and here in Cebu Ocean Card, we have two kinds of raptors. We have our Brachycide and our Philippine serpent eagle. Call in our first raptor. Let's call in our Brachycide kingdom. There you go, our Brachycide, scientifically known as Haliastor indus. top global warming.